Hi, I'm Chef Adrienne Cheatham, and today we're here at ICE and we are making Hollandaise. We're also going to do a few variations on a basic Hollandaise that you can use for anything you want. Here we have some more of our base Hollandaise. This was made with 4 egg yolks, the juice of 1 lemon, a little salt, pepper, and about a pound of butter. For our first variation on Hollandaise, we're going to do a roasted red pepper. So we're just going to give it a little bit of a rough chop just to break it up. If you like a lot of flavor, add in more of the roasted red pepper. I'm using about half of a roasted red pepper here. And we're going to put our Hollandaise back on the blender just like it was. And we're going to add it right in here. And there you see the nice reddish color. It's almost like you've made a Hollandaise that has a lot of paprika or Tabasco or sriracha. Nice, you get the sweetness from the red pepper. This would go really, really well with the crab benedict or over some asparagus. For our next variation, we're just going to do a nice chopped herb Hollandaise. So for this, I'm going to use a little chive. The chives give you nice oniony flavor that's not too strong or overpowering. It's just a nice aromatic kind of herb to use. We're also going to use a little tarragon. Tarragon will give you a little bit of that almost an anise flavor, but more herbaceous. We're also going to chop up a little bit of watercress. Watercress is going to give it a nice peppery flavor. And we're literally just going to stir them in. And this goes great on vegetables. I like to serve roasted vegetables or grilled vegetables with a nice herby Hollandaise. And for our last variation on Hollandaise, we're going to be doing a kimchi Hollandaise. You could do this in the blender, but because it has such a high liquid content, it can throw off the balance of the emulsion and make your Hollandaise break. So I like to just rough chop it by hand. We're just gonna go ahead and put that in the Hollandaise. If you want to add a splash of sriracha just for a little more flavor, you are more than welcome to. It will be nothing but delicious. And then you just want to gently stir it together until it's all thoroughly incorporated. And again, you're going to want to let this sit for about 10 minutes or so just to really let the flavors marry and let the kimchi really come through. But that is already really good. Thank you guys so much. These are our Hollandaise variations. We've done 3 flavors, but really the choices are endless. Whatever you have in your refrigerator, whatever you can imagine and dream up, give it a try. Throw it in the blender, chop it up, mix it in a bowl. The world is your oyster. Enjoy!